Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel, and in this video we're gonna take a quick look at the DriftArt 2.6, particularly the DriftArt 2.6 EX edition. And before I build it, I wanna take a quick look at what we have inside the box. So first thing first, there are many DriftArt versions, so let's start with the 2.0 that I had. This one was my first one, and it is discontinued, so you can't buy this anymore because they have upgraded to the 2.5 that I have right now. And basically that is a very basic, let's just say basic DriftArt with the servo on horizontally mounted. So next we move on to the DriftArt 2.5 that the servo is tilted forward, which makes the steering a little bit better than the 2.0. And DriftArt 2.5 has a lot of upgrades over time. For example, the rolling body upgrade that allow the car to roll more than it already can by using the rear mount with a bearing at the center. The front has adjustable angle, adjustable tilting angle servos. So instead of 15 degrees, we can adjust it to tilt a little bit more or a little bit less. So it offers a lot more adjustability. And here comes the DriftArt 2.6 EX, which basically we can say that it is the ultimate version of the DriftArt that comes with every upgrade available to this car. So starting with the EX Links pack. So it has, I'm not sure if you can see this, but it has two styles of linkages. One is a hard link, the other one is a soft link. So the hard link is a little bit harder to build, but it is stronger. So we can try and we can choose whatever we like. Next, this is the shock mount that I was talking about earlier. This is the big hole for the bearing to go in, and it can tilt the car, and it is from aluminium. Next we have pulley with teeth. So in the previous version the pulley is smooth and it has a rubber band like this. So it is not the most free rolling chassis in the market, but with this it doesn't have to rely on the belt tension because it has teeth, and we can loosen the tension a bit and the car gonna roll a little bit better. Okay, so that's the first pack. And next we have the metal pack. So that's just screw and everything, so that's no difference than the previous version. Moving on to the EXA. I should have gone with the alphabetical order, but anyway. That is what I was talking about the tilting servo. So with this we can adjust the angle, how much the servo will tilt. So let me give you an example. It takes a servo like this, the A11 CLS. I'm slowly running out of servo to use now. This is my last one. So if we can put it in like this, and then we can adjust the angle like so. So when we adjust this, we're gonna adjust the Ackerman angle, and we can adjust the toe in and toe out angle as well, and then we can move it backward and forward just like before. And that's a lot of adjustability we can have. Right, next we have the, so before we can only change the front width, but with this we can change the rear width as well. So if you have a wide body, or if you want to make it 1:24 scale, you can use this to make the rear wider without messing with the wheel offset. Just like that. And all the other parts are aluminum as well. Basically, these are all the upgrades available to this car. Next are the carbon fiber, the same as before. And then we have bow heads as before as well. So basically, you're gonna have more adjustability at the rear, that we can adjust the width as well as the tilting shock mount. And at the front, we're gonna have the adjustable tilting servo. And finally, the pulley with teeth, along with minor upgrades here and there. I'm gonna go and film the build now, so you can look forward to that. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.